out to Phoenix, Arizona for Jeeves and his YouTube subscriber event that he's putting on. Honestly, it just gave me a good reason to go on a road trip. First little stop is at this place called CISCO, Texas. Got about 40 minutes of a charge. I'm gonna try to sleep for those 40 minutes. Good night. Good morning. It's 7:45 a.m. I am about to hit the town called Peyote. And hey, my stuff just went white, no longer black. I am tired. Ungodly tired. And I'm very late. I wanted to be in Phoenix at like 3 o'clock, and it looks like I'm not going to get there until maybe 6:30 or 7 because I keep getting delayed because of gorgeous sunsets and other things. But I get to use my GoPro now because the sunlight's out. If there's a night mode on it, somebody tell me how to do it, because I was worried that nothing was going to show up. But sunrise is on my back. I think that's the first time I've watched a sunrise to that extent in a long time, and I got some beautiful photos that I'm gonna, I don't know, probably post in this video somehow. But this whole trip has been interesting so far. Middle of the oil fields of Texas. I try to get video on my cell phone. It looks terrible, but there's fire flames everywhere, and it's all like the I don't remember what the term's called, but it's like the excess fumes, propane fumes or something, getting burned off. I know there's a term. Somebody's gonna correct me. But so yeah, I got an ungodly amount of more driving to do. I don't think you can really make up time in a Tesla, because the more speeding I'm doing, the less battery charge I have. So the more that I've delayed, because I've been tired. I passed out at the last stop. That was my second charging station, and I think I slept an extra 20 minutes longer than I should have. And just little things like that slow you up. It's kind of crazy. But this is interesting so far. I've driven about 400 miles. I've got 600 more to go. So I mean, I'm almost to the halfway point. I know right when I get to the Airbnb, my thought was I could explore a little bit of Phoenix beforehand, but nah, I'm gonna get to the Airbnb and pass out and have a solid sleep and get up and be refreshed for tomorrow. So yeah, it's kind of crazy, but yeah, I don't know. This is as much as I've got right now. I'm really unsure how much of this I should be filming, or how much of it is actually going to go into a video. So if you hear this is me just contemplating, oh, look, my pup, she's passed the fuck out in the sun. I bet it is warm back there. I'm freezing up here, and I'm trying to blow cold air to her. So I have been stuck in traffic 4 times now because there are gigantic bulldozer dozers, where, you know, the buckets, the things that get put in the front of a bulldozer. But these are like the giant ones that are bigger than 18-wheelers. The front ends, brand new ones, 4 new ones that they've made, and they're transporting them from BFE to fucking BFE. And I'll show you, because I feel like we're going to get up here and be able to pass it soon, but we have to go to a crawl because the right lane is closed off because they've got to clean the road. And this dude is fucking out of the car hitting a guardrail because he's too wide. He's wide enough that he's taking up 2 lanes, first of all. But the part that blows my mind is they put the bucket long, like wide, versus long ways along the 18-wheeler. I get for balancing that may be better, but with a little bit of decent weight distribution, you probably could do it long ways so that this isn't a problem. If they can do it with a wind turbine fucking blade that's 10 times longer than that, they can do it with that fucking barrel. Like, that's ridiculous. The 4th one I've been behind. And also the 4th right lane closed because of, we need to redo guardrails or whatever shit they're doing. We're getting up here. You'll see it. Hold on. Oh yeah, they're just putting in new guardrails. Middle of, am I even in Texas? Yeah, I'm in Fort Hancock, Texas. Okay, here you go. Look at this. Look at that. Wide. Why not fucking do it long ways? I mean, long ways, guys. Long ways. I guarantee some structural engineer will pop on and comment and be like, actually, can't do that because the equation of the M means that it will balance itself on the wrong thing. Whatever. I don't really care. I'm bitching because I've been stuck at going 30 miles an hour on an 80 mile an hour road. Also, look at those views. Like, gosh. I really hope y'all can see those and it comes out good once I make the videos. I mean, that's all I got. I really don't have much else to talk about. I've passed it. Oh, the car in front of me is a big fan of Game of Thrones, along with all the other red bumper stickers that they could find. I doubt you can see it. If I can get close enough, I'll show it to you. But it's pretty cringy. And then what those are? TikTok cringes? The Reddit cringe? I don't know. It's cringe. It's way too much. Like, they got a Jeep and decided to load it up with bumper stickers and then turned it into Game of Thrones Drogon. I don't know. Gigi, how you doing? Huh? Tucked yourself in? You're a good girl. Good girl, Gigi. I have to give her props because otherwise she'll think I forgot about her. Prissy. So, fun fact about West Texas. There's no grass. And when there's no grass, that means my dog does not know how to go to the fucking bathroom. That's how spoiled she is. She can't pee or poop without there being some type of grass. And I mean, like, some. And there's nothing out here. It's tumbleweeds, cactuses, and dirt and rocks. I pulled over like 6 times, maybe around 7 a.m. to find anything that resembled grass. And I found a bushel of weeds that were flattened down that had some small slivers of actual real grass growing through it, and she lost her mind and thought it was the greatest thing ever. Peed and pooped in the same exact spot. And then the next stop at the last gas station, it was around or not gas station, it was at a hotel. There was grass all around it. None of that grass was good enough for her. Unbelievable. Spoiled rotten. Worth it. She's a good dog, but ridiculous at the same time. Made it out to Dynamic Tent out here at Jeeves YouTube subscriber event. This place is kind of awesome. Tons of Teslas here, but this is pretty cool. It was worth the trip. It was worth the drive. I'm still fucking exhausted, and I know I'm about to do it all over again, so it'll be great. But my pup is kind of pissed. She's not too happy about this. Look at her. What are you doing, baby? Huh?
What are you doing? Hi. Hello. 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 Okay, watch out. Let's go back. Back. She's got AC. Much better than what I'm at. It's actually really fucking hot out here. But this was cool.